list system. In fact, we were one of the guys na pinadala nung araw na para mag-seminar dyan sa Germany. Nakita namin na napakaganda ng party list system sa Germany. Sa England, si Tony Blair he became a Prime Minister of England, but he is a party list representative. So, kaya lang, pagka ganito yung nangyayari, kapareho nung nangyayari sa Pilipinas, tingnan mo, halimbawa, yung mga party list na yung ginagamit na ngayon yung pangalan ng rehiyon, yung Anwara, yung Bicol nun, bukas magkakaroon naman ng party list yung Ilocano, yung Cebuano, yung Mindanao.
Sama na yung mga Ilocano doon sa isang babae.
Kanya nga, hindi na, yung purpose did not serve. Tapos nagkakaroon pa rin tayo nung, halimbawa, yung mamamayan ayaw sa droga. Ngayon, meron naman bidang, parang bata na ayaw sa droga.
Yung mga party list ng tricycle driver saka security guard.
Alam mo, masyadong masalimuot yan kasi wala naman talagang party list yung tricycle hanggang ngayon. Yung tricycle dapat TODA.
Pero gusto nila, nasa kongreso din sila, yung TODA.
Okay lang yun.
Okay lang yun. Hindi
okay
pagbababo
pero
yun.
Ang tamang mapunta dyan, yung talagang representasyon ng tricycle. Tricycle boys, tricycle operators. Kanya lang ang isang nakakalungkot dyan, marami naman na gustong maging congressman, pagdating doon naman sa kongreso,
hindi alam kung
anong gagawin. Kasi yung trabaho ng congressman is legislative. Ang kailangan na rin doon, gumawa ng batas. Hindi naman natin dapat pagkapirahan yung Congress with due respect
maraming papalakbak doon sa sinabi niyo.
Ang kailangan natin dyan is legislative work.
Tama. Anyway, Barry, yung process of having these party list groups disqualified, you'll have to use some criteria, syempre, na the COMELEC itself will lay down, di ba?
Well, yes, but as I already said earlier, there are already criteria laid down by the Supreme Court, and the
Supreme Court, Supreme Court, as we've seen sometimes, doesn't follow its own jurisprudence.
Well, that's true enough. But in this particular case, it will be the COMELEC applying older Supreme Court doctrine. Although, of course, if the COMELEC disqualifies anybody, you can bet that these people will still go up to the Supreme Court to contest their disqualification.
Okay, Barry, so total, hindi nyo pa nasasabi kung sino nga yung gusto nyo pa-disqualify. Sabi mo, hindi mo pa naman na-draw up yung list, no? Okay, umpisahan na lang natin dito sa mesa na to. Umpisahan natin si Mang Nards, yung 1996, ba? Nag-umpisa na sila, iba lang yung pangalan bago naging NUPA muna sila. Looks like na matagal na may track record na, matagal na silang tumutulong sa urban poor. Mukhang ito lehitimo. Hindi mo na masasabing ito pwedeng ma-disqualify.
Well, difficult to say, actually.
Difficult to say?
If we can, because the thing is, we don't have access to any of the documents of accreditation submitted to the COMELEC. So it's hard to say. Judging purely on the allegations, the representations made by the party list group, obviously, they will be qualified if they, in fact, represent an actual sector, in this case the urban poor sector. They actually have a significant spread nationwide.
And then sabi ni Omar, underrepresented pa ba yung mga katulad ng urban poor na grupo nila, Mang Nards?
Well, the thing with the law is it doesn't really define what marginalized and underrepresented means.
Well, yung marginalized, ang parang lumalabas lang basta poor ka. Marginalized ka na.
Well,
yung underrepresented, wala ring definition pa yun, no?
Kasi marami rin naliligaw yung batas, we should not interpret it like how it was written. We should look also on the intent of the law.
The intent of the law.
In fact, whenever there is a Supreme Court case, they go back to the intent of the law. This is what happened exactly do sa case ko, yung nabanggit niya kasi, I am the founder of that Ang Bagong Bayani, OFW party list. Kaya binalikan namin noon yung intent ng batas. Talagang it is for sectoral representation.
Si Mang Nards.
Actually talaga, kahit na doon sa 79.41, sectoral representation. Kaya sinasabi mo kami, ang tagal-tagal na namin dyan sectoral. However, the question, yung ang isa sa criteria pag-qualify sa accreditation sa COMELEC, kung wala kang panggastos sa pangungumpanya, ay
pati yun, kasama yan, di ba? The ability to campaign.
Isa sa tinanong.
Wage and national campaign.
Di ba?
Parang national candidate na rin kayo.
Kaya nga, i-reason out na, kami ang dami-dami namin Actually, certified by the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor.
Opo.
Kung mabasihan mo yung community-based organization namin of 7,500, pag kinompute mo yan doon sa voters population, it's about 9 million yan. Bakit kailangan pa natin mag-present ka ng pera
financial
para
evidence to show that you can wage a campaign. All right, we'll get back to our guests. We're running short of time, but we have just to take a short break. Stay with us, Crossroads. We'll be right back. Time left. Margie, merong gusto magpatanong. Bakit kailangan pa daw lagyan ng astig yung pangalan ng party list group niya?
Okay, that was also asked sa COMELEC sa amin. Astig, bakit? Astig is a positive word eh. Astig means, dati-dati parang mga, like tambay, no? It's associated with being nasa kanto or ano. Pero now, astig already means so many things, like mabuhay, positive, tough,
Matapang.
pretty,
Pretty. Astig. Pretty.
mabango, oo, mabango.
Parang hindi ko pa ata nagagamit yung
Magaling,
salita na yun. Parang
matalino.
ang astig naman ni Fem Baranda.
Di ba? Oo, di ba? Ganda ng kotse mo, astig ka.
Okay.
Di ba? Things like that. So, we want to give a stronger word to sa babae. Para maging tough ang babae, astig ka. Yung pag sinabing, if you can do so many things at a time, yun ang, that's why we put the name astig.
Okay.
Because we want to empower the women.
Pero malakas ba ang recall sa grupo ninyo so far?
Napakalakas. Everywhere you go, may salitang astig.
Pero hindi, but people look at your name at wala naman yung astig doon, nakalagay lang, Juan Abaa, di ba?
Oo. Pero
nobody
sometimes
says,
we're
"Uy,
also called babaeng astig. Andyan na yung mga babaeng astig.
May parang nickname kayo, ang mga babaeng astig.
Oo.
Aba, mas astig naman siguro yung atambay. Hindi pala astig, tigas. Hindi naman. Tigasaing,
Tiga supot.
yung sa inyo naman Omar, nahihirapan ba kayo dun sa ang tambay just to get, the kind of recognition nationwide?
Hindi, kasi actually may mga membro kasi kami. Ang nakikita
Ilan ang
ko kasi,
members niyo ba ngayon?
nasa 280,000 na yung aming members.
Yung
all
sa inyo,
over
how
the
many?
nation.
Siguro 10 plus.
10,000 plus. 80,000, that's a lot, no?
In fact,
Sa
hindi
inyo po,
lang
7,000
sigurado
hindi lang sa
parang-
bansa kasi pati nation worldwide, kasi it started with the OFW, ang bagong bayani
Yung original
movement, yeah.
party list. Ang dami siguro makakaaway, no? Parang kung tinuloy niyo yung proseso of trying to get these party list groups disqualified.
Well, madami naman nakaaway yan noong 2007 eh. I mean, we filed cases against yung mga government-sponsored party list. So it's nothing new. What we're interested in really is defending the integrity of the party list, particularly against really obvious efforts to take advantage of yung party list system in order to get a backdoor into Congress.
So si Mang Nards, mukhang lihiti mo naman siyempre itong paano yung mga astig, tsaka yung atambay.
Mga babaeng astig.
Again, ang hirap sabihin eh. Pero for example, Juan Abaa, they claim that they represent the women's
women.
sector. They claim that they have
Nationwide
membership constituency.
Yeah.
If they can actually support that, then by the very, very broad terms.
You don't
the
see any of
party
these
list.
groups overlapping already with the existing party list representation in Congress?
Well, the thing is, there is no rule against an overlap. Even if there are multiple parties, for example, representing
the
the
same
labor
sectors.
sector, or representing
Yes.
the urban poor sector, or representing the women's sector, there's actually
Doesn't
no
matter.
rule for it.
Well, there may be no rule for it, but do you think it's like parang wise to do something, prudent to do something like that because
Well,
of,
I
waste,
think it's an
spreading resources out to so many groups?
well, true enough, but it's an unavoidable consequence